Oh, hi there.
People typically say that location is everything when it comes to brick and mortar, customer-facing shops. Now, what about an early-stage tech startup whose focus is currently more on the product development side of things? My startup company, Beautiful, happens to be at this exact stage at the moment, and that's why our team is going to move into a makerspace studio in order to make good use of all the industry-grade prototyping tools and machines. In this video, I'd like to show you the behind the scenes of the move.
The makerspace we were able to find is perfect for us in almost every aspect. Not only is it located right next to our current co-working office, but it is also just a couple of minutes walk from a subway station. The place, in case you're curious, is called Maker Bay.
Hi, Michael.
Oh, hi there. Welcome to Maker Bay.
By joining Maker Bay, we are essentially unlocking access to everything we need to support our prototyping milestones this year and beyond. As a longtime maker, I've actually joined multiple makerspaces in the past. That being said, this is actually the first time we've ever set up our own makerspace studio. This warrants some celebration. And because the move-in coincided with having our first full-time team member come on board,
This is Eric.
more celebration should be in order, in my opinion. So we've decided to head out for a welcome/celebratory lunch.
Okay.
At Maker Bay, before operating any of the machines by ourselves, it was mandatory for us to take a series of induction classes. This is common practice for pretty much all makerspaces I've been to, with safety being the primary concern. And to share some more good news with you before I end this vlog, We've recently been commissioned to work on a bunch of new technical development projects. Generally speaking, this has been a great way to financially support the beautiful team's own research and development roadmap. Some of these projects will most likely be featured in future videos. You'll probably get to see more of Maker Bay along the way as well. That's pretty much it for the move-in vlog. Until next time,